when you have an extremely extroverted friend. Who knows goats are also into mechanical? This boy sure is a great helper.
Good for me though. Hey, stop! I'm trying to make a video, buddy. What are you doing down here?
Where are all the bowling pins? There's a rolling ball right here. I wish this lasts forever.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
Oh. Hello.
I never knew peacocks can be so talkative.
Hello.
No time for stares when it comes to her favorite treats. When capybara smells water, capybara shall come to water.
What?
What a smart boy. I can tell he is taught and loved so much by his dad. Such a diva. Someone better bring her to the stage. You know it's frustrating to touch it, but can't grab it.
No, there is a cow.
Trust me, the water tastes better this way.
Hey.
Well, I literally don't know who's the one getting scared here anymore.
Oh my god.
This is how elephant deals with summer heat. Probably processing stage 3 of his breakup. Skincare is a must for pandas, y'all. Remember, size doesn't matter. Skills do.
Barkley, give me back the blanket.
Who on earth is going to believe a crossing alligator makes you late for work? This brownish friend clearly understands the assignment. Water ballerina showing off her best trick during performance. Yup, that's the right spot. Don't stop, please.
Hello?
Not sure if this is a reverse video or the best moonwalk I've seen. When dancing is the hobby of these best friends. His car's broken, so he needs to hitch a ride to work. Definitely an expert in the twerking field.
Stretch.
Today's breaking news will be about the rebellion of a sheep. There are rumors about something wonderful behind this wall.
Вы видели такое, чтобы кошка нападала?
This tabby really isn't joking about his taekwondo belt. When the playful brother finally reaches your limit. A trusted source told me they're still not stopping. What goes on inside pandas' heads is still an unsolved mystery.
Whoa!
The embarrassment here is just too much to bear. When an audience loses his patience with the wrestling match. The hottest circus artist in town is performing her best moves. This is my friend after receiving his salary at the start of the month. The feeling from back scratch is a door you can't get out once entering. The special student in the class who always has his own way. How can he stay stable after all those spins? Pinned back ears are signs she's mad, so good luck with your hand. This is the best vegetables grinder to ever exist. "20-year-old me holding on to my first relationship." immersing in a self-composed song about her hardest breakup. It's a 0 for enemy damage and 100 for self-damage. Attention, the helicopter's about to take off. What really happens every time my bestie comes over to play? Oops. Things didn't go very well at this diverse dinner party. This is an intense fight, but everyone is so out of reach. Scrubbing off all the dead cells for a smoother skin. The jokingly overstepping one versus the ill-tempered one. Proven to be the best student in the class. When you step away from your food for a minute and this happens. It is reported to be a dine and dash at a bistro today. This is me every time my boyfriend picks me up from work. I heard this sit-to-stand exercise can strengthen my lower body. Horsey Ninja is seen stopping for a break during his long journey. You're unstoppable when you fear nothing. This baby otter is born with rhythm. Have you ever seen such a perfect crib like this? The Kung Fu course finally has its use in today's prison break. Which video did you enjoy the most? Let us know in the comments below.